What's up, guys? Welcome back to Carnegie Studios. Today, we're going to be covering a song tutorial that's very near and dear to me. This is the song Agape by Nicholas Britell. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This song is in the key of B flat or a sharp major. And the song is composed of 3 chords. That's it. Literally 3 chords. I'm going to simplify it in its most simplest form, and then I'm going to add what the chords are in its fullness because it's a little bit interesting. So the 3 chords are E flat. Then we're going to go to B flat over D. And then C minor. That's literally the song right there. But that's triads. Let's play the 7th chords and what the extended chords are. So in the left hand, it's still going to be E, right? But it's going to be called what you call an E flat major 6, which you rarely ever see. So it is going to be E and B flat, 1 and the 5. Right? 1 and the 5. And then in the right hand, what you hear, so it's that triad, it stays the same, but you hear that an extra note in that chord. And so E flat major 6. You play that, and there's another note high up top, and those are the strings. It sounds like this. That note, though, is what the strings are playing. So you can include that. You don't have to, but if you're soloing it, that's a beautiful chord as well. Right? So you add that 9. So then you'll come down and then play that B flat. So in your left hand, you're playing D, and you can add that B flat and then play D, the bass notes. And in the right hand, all you're taking, simplifying it, is a B flat major triad, and you're bringing it down. So you're playing second inversion in your right hand. So we got that E flat down to the B flat. Then the simplest chord of them all, C minor 7. Come back up to that B flat over D. Back to the E. And it continues, right? So those 3 simple chords make up that song. But stay tuned for part 2, where I cover that beautiful horn piece. We're gonna cover that in part 2. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. And please comment down below, what's your favorite song? What's the song that tugs on your heartstrings? Peace.